And let it fall. What's that? The
rolls. I'm gonna heat them up, then I'm gonna brown them on the brawler inside.
just stew, I mean, or it's roast, right?
Hot roast.
Hot roast.
Pan and carrot.
There was onions in there, right?
Oh, yeah.
I got you. Huh. Oh! Oh, don't soul up on me. Well, let's have a look at it. Give us some details. Venison roast.
Just a chuck roast.
Chuck roast.
Yep.
Got
roast potatoes and carrots with onion.
Little onion in there for seasoning.
Oh yeah.
I know somebody that won't fish the onion out.
They won't what?
Won't fish any of the onion out.
Who? Oh, you don't need onion?
Sometimes, but
tear you up.
No, don't tear me up. Ain't a big onion either, brother.
The onions are good. Lifetime meal.
Alright. So we got chasing going on in the woods. Good deer sign as far as rubs and stuff go, but we still ain't seen a big buck yet, but maybe come tomorrow. Try it again.
Sorry.